inches is a feat. I'm with the gang, I'm with the fleet. Crash the party.
Tips on alternating feet. You basically want to think of it as just lifting one foot off of the ground. So start off with 4 basic jumps. 1, 2, 3, 4, lift. 1, 2, 3, 4, lift. 1, 2, 3, 4, lift, 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 lift. Hey, that's a very good question. So when I work out, I usually wear about 1 regular bra, and I wear maybe 1 sports bra or 2 sports bra. Like today, I didn't feel like going through the struggle, so I have on 1 regular bra, 1 sports bra. As soon as I get sponsored by a company, I will recommend, but right now I wear Nike.
Do it. Get it to the beat, 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 get it.
Okay, so there's 2 jump ropes that I recommend. I recommend the Make It Fun freestyle rope, which is my rope, support black business, yes. And the cross rope, 1/2 pound weighted rope, get lean set. I have a link for that. So use that rope, and rope size should be to the tip of your shoulder, armpit, or chest.